It looks like a wall.
Huh?
It looks like a wall.
Yep, I'm hiding. Under the house.
There's a tornado.